Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install Python 3.12.4 on Windows 10 and 11 complete guide with example code. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is known for its simplicity, versatility, and wide range of application. So whether you're building websites, working with data, creating games, or automating repetitive tasks, Python is a go-to language for developers and hobbyists alike. So why Python? So as you can see, we're currently here onto their website, which is python.org. So Python, as you can see, is beginner friendly. Its simple syntax makes it easy to learn for newcomers. Versatiles in Python supports various programming paradigms, including object-oriented procedural and functional programming. It also has an extensive or massive collection of libraries and frameworks such as Django, NumPy, and TensorFlow to handle everything from web development to machine learning. Also, Python works seamlessly on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So as you can see, Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate systems more effectively. So here onto their website, you could see how to get started with them, download their code and installers, their documentation, and they have jobs as well. Now, for us to be able to proceed on downloading 3.12.4, let's head here, official website. Once you're in, you should be able to see the option of downloads in here. If you hover through that, you should be able to download the latest version of Python. And since we have a specific version in here, we're gonna go here on all releases. So if we proceed on to that, you should be able to see the different versions available in Python. But let's talk a little bit about Python 3.12.4. It is actually a release that brings enhanced performance, bug fixes, and new features. It's suitable for both upgrading from an older version or downgrading if another version isn't compatible with your project. This tutorial will guide you step by step through installing Python 3.12.4 on Windows 10 and 11. And let's get started. So as you can see, we're currently on python.org/download. So this is where you could see all of the releases from Python. So if you scroll down, we have the active releases in here. And if you're looking for a specific release, we have it in here. So just simply scroll into this one until you find in 3.12.4. So we have that here. Let's click onto that. So before installing 3.12.4, you might need to decide whether to upgrade or downgrade your Python version. So if you currently have or installed a Python version onto your end, just check what current version you're in and try to see if you're upgrading or downgrading your Python version. So to check what current version you're in, if you have one installed already, just search command prompt here. And then right after that, we're gonna go ahead and try to search for Python version. Then just click on enter. And as you can see, the current version that we have is 3.11.4. And since we're switching to 3.12.4, then we are actually upgrading so that we can provide access to more features and performance improvement. So right after that, we'll just have to download this one first. Now, since we're in here already, we'll just have to scroll down and then find in the files. So here on files, this is where we could go ahead and download the installer. So just choose which one is recommended onto your device. So in my end, Windows Installer 64-bit is a recommended one. So I'll have to install that. It will automatically download in here, and let's just wait for that one to be finished. Now, once this one is done, just go ahead and locate the downloaded file in here in your downloads folder. So let's try to open that one first, and we're just gonna install this. So once you open the file, since we are installing this, just make sure to click or check onto this Add Python to Path. So this is an important step since this will allow you to run Python from the command prompt without extra configuration. Now you could customize installation. There is a default setting in here that you could click to install it already. So we'll just have to wait for this one to be done. Now, once Python is set up successfully, you should be able to see this message. Now, the next step that we could do in here is to verify the Python installation again. So the same thing that we did earlier, just head here onto the command prompt, but let's refresh or open a new tab in here or a terminal since we have that one already set for the other one. So we're just gonna type in again the same following line, Python version. Click on enter, and as you can see, it is now updated to 3.12.4. So we'll just need to verify also if the pip or Python package manager is installed together with that version. So you'll just need to type in this, click on enter, and you should see a confirmation of the installed pip version. Now, we'll have to run our first Python program in here. So for us to be able to go ahead and run our code, we'll just have to type in here Python. So this will go ahead and open Python's interactive shell. Click on enter, and this one in here shows that we have opened that one, and we're just gonna type in a simple code or a simple command. So we're just gonna type in here print hello Python 3.12.4. And if this one would give us the same text that hello Python 3.12.4, then Python is installed and running correctly. Simply click on enter, and as you can see, we have successfully installed that one out. For better coding experience, you could install an integrated development environment as well, like VS Code, PyCharm, and Jupyter Notebook. So whether you're upgrading, downgrading, or starting fresh, this version is ready for all of your development needs. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.